Hey 8th graders! This is about the 4th time that I'm making this video. For some reason my audio keeps sounding crazy. But I am on the second question here, and so it says point C prime is the image of C, -4, -2 under reflection across the y-axis. So what I'm going to do here is draw the Cartesian plane. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to show you guys, first of all, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Quadrant 1 has positive points. Quadrant 2 has negative positive points. Quadrant 3 has negative points. And then the last quadrant has positive negative points. Okay, so I have my Cartesian plane right here. I have my y-axis and my x-axis. And these, of course, never stop going. So I'm going to just add the little arrows here. Okay, so if we have a point that's in the third quadrant, negative, so this point right here, -4, C, what would happen? So if we have something right here, what would happen if we were to grab this Cartesian plane, fold it in half across the y-axis? So we're going to fold it right in half on the y-axis. This point right here would then go over to this side, to the fourth quadrant. So our point that started out negative is now going to be positive once we fold it in half on the y-axis. So if we had -4, -2, it is now going to be +4, -2. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So plot the image of point B under the reflection across line M. Alright, so here is the reflection. And it could also be like an x-axis because it's horizontal, but it says it's line M. So if we have this right here, what happens when we fold it? Where is B going to end up on the other side when it's reflected over here? Well, I'm gonna count, and I'm doing this on my laptop with my fingers, so please excuse how sloppy this is. But we're going to see how far away it is from the line M. So if we start here on line M, oh no, is it going to let me? Oh, okay, it's not going to let me draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 points away. So I'm going to do that same thing, but on the other side. So I'm still staying right here, but I'm just reflecting across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's 6. Let me count again. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we got it. I'm going to go ahead and check this. Alright. And same thing with this right here. If we have B and we are reflecting across the x-axis, so then that would be the line that is horizontal, the x-axis, then this is going to end up on the other side. So if we were at, right here, -5, it's going to end up at +5. So -3, +5. -3, -5. Alright. So there we have it. Reflecting points.